Hi, how is it going? This is Undefined G20 with a live box break. As you can see there, the box is 2012 Top Supreme. Here we go. Probably the corniest intro I've ever done. Sorry about that, you guys. But yeah, here we go. 2012 Top Supreme Football. Had to check it out. Why not? Looks like a fairly thin pack, like nothing's in there. Let's get that jersey card. Just saying. Here we go. Alright, let's see. Steve Young, number 462. Warren Moon, 462. Frank Gore, number 20/40. And QBPC is Boomin. Nick Foles. 2 pieces and a biscuit autograph. And a short print, number 6/15. Boom. Very nice. Whew! Dodged the jersey box. Yay, yay! Yay, yay! Yeah. Thank God. One and done box. Yes. Nick Foles, QBPC. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace to your mothers.